it, Ishmael? Why are you biting me? Why are you biting me? He just wants to preen you. Yeah, he wants to preen you. He wants to help me. Kaden, he just wants to help. Yeah, Ishmael just wants to help. Oh, you mad because I let him touch you? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. We have to be nice. What you doing on the camera? Sit on the camera. Yeah? In my head? Yeah? What'd you find, Ishmael? Down there. What's down there? You want scratches? Ishmael. Ishmael, you want scratches? Come on. Come on. That's okay. Come on. No? Kaden, you want scratches, don't you, pretty boy? Yeah, he's a good boy. He's down there. What's going on? You want your mirror back, don't you? I took his mirror away. So he wouldn't be so pissy with Ishmael. Not working. Oh, Ishmael. You just want love, don't you? Yes. You like being out of the cage? Can you see out the window? What's out there, you guys? What's out there? Yeah? He's a pretty boy. Kaden? He's a pretty boy. Ishmael. You gonna preen? Good boy. Good boy. Yeah? What? What? Look here? I can see you. I can't see you. Oh, you want more? Oh, you really want them love, don't you? Here, let me put the camera away.